Good day, everyone. So today we will have another tutorial, and this time I am teaching you how to download protected video file from Google Drive. So here's a quick example. As you can see, if I click this shared video from me, and I want to download it offline in order for me to watch it anywhere. However, when I'm going to download it, there's no option for me to download it because sometimes there are files or video that is shared to you. And when you see it on the right side, there's a download option. However, in this video, there's no way for me to download it on the right side. And if you click the three dots for more tools, as you can see, based on the details, download permission, viewers cannot download the video. So this is now our way on how to download this protected video from Google Drive. The first thing that you need to do is to go on the right side and you see a three dots here, and then go to more tools, and then go to the developer tools. After that, you will see this developer tools, and then kindly go on select an element here, select an element in the page to inspect it. Click that. Okay, now if you click that one, kindly click the video. I'm going to click the video. Now, once you click the video, you will be prompted to elements. So here, after that, after I click the video, there's a highlighted text on the element side, this one, and then you will find a link on that highlighted text after the SRC. After the word SRC, you will find a link. So that link, kindly left a right click that link, and then kindly copy link address. Copy link address, and then that copied link address, you are going to put that into new tab. So go to new tab and then paste the copied link address and click that. Okay, and wait for it to load. After that, as you can see, we
Okay,
will
let's try
proceed
to answer.
to that video that is shared with us. But by this time, kindly click the three dots here, and you will now see the download option button. So you may now download it already. The download already started.